Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food, and I know we are going through a most challenging time in our country. I've never seen anything like it before. I remember 9/11 very vividly and how our country came together for that, but we weren't isolated. And now our country is coming together, but in different ways. We can't go hug my neighbor. I can't go see my kids. I own a preschool and our preschool was shut down. I have to talk to my family by Zoom call or by Skype or by FaceTime. It's crazy. And one thing people are doing right now is they're joining in their families, the people they do get to spend time with, and they're cooking and they're baking. And I wanted to offer that to you. I thought at a time more than ever that with my love for baking and decorating that I could give you something to bake and to inspire you. They call it comfort food for a reason. It's when you bake something or cook something and you bring everyone together and they gather around and they eat. It's a celebration. And in the midst of all this chaos and all this uncertainty, when you can celebrate over food, there's something magical about it, actually. Also during this time, I'm actually launching a business. Is that crazy? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. This idea came to me back actually in November of 2019. I had a very bad fall and I was not able to teach my baking classes and decorating classes for the city recreation programs that I've been doing for 15 years. And during that time of recuperation, when I was on crutches, I thought, gosh, if I could just package all of these years of kid-tested recipes and the things that the kids love and put it in something where I could send it to them. And that's how Kids Baking Club came to be. Crazy that it's happening right now. We actually picked our launch day for May 1st, and we're right now in our pre-launch phase, which is what I wanted to talk to you about. If you have kids or you know someone that has kids, please share this video with them. And we are giving a free downloadable ebook of a book that I wrote called Kids Can Bake. And it has recipes that kids can make. They've all been kid tested. They work out great. And the best part is they teach math and science and literacy and language skills and social building. But it's like edible fun. Edible learning, actually. And I wanted to offer this to you for free. So all you have to do is go to kidsbakingclub.com and you'll get this free book, and then you'll get some more information about our subscription box that we're going to be now sending out to the country to let everyone know that there's learning coming in a box that they get to bake with their kids. Perfect for moms and dads that have their kiddos at home, that want a little bit extra something to actually help in their kids' learning and then celebrate with what they bake. So if you want to find out all the information, don't forget to go to kidsbakingclub.com. And I'm going to start doing some baking classes online that are going to help kids come into the kitchen, learn a bunch of stuff, and then also celebrate in eating it. I hope you guys are doing okay. Feel free to reach out to me in the comment line down below. I am thinking about you. This has been amazingly challenging for a lot of people, and I'm here for you. So, see you soon.